Okay, here we are on the American Trifive Association California Dreamin' Tour, presented by California Car Cover, and we're at Steve Castillis' house and viewing his private collection. As you can see, we've all kind of stuffed our cars in here. Let me walk along here. I've already gotten through it, but I'm going to post some videos later on of it. As you can see, it's raining right now again, but it's breaking from time to time. We've had an amazing time here so far. An incredible collection, so stay tuned for those video uploads later. The connections out here is a little spotty, so I'd rather take the chance and upload those in the rather long videos. They're about 3-4 minutes long, so check in for those a little bit later. But as you can see, I'm going to give you the lay of the land. He's got a little shop down there with some vehicles and trailers. He's got another building here, and then up here, let me kind of get to where you can see that in the distance, that used car sign. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there that is just really incredible. All kinds of Petrolania stuff, some pedal cars and vintage tricycles and toys and stuff like that. And just what an amazing place. It's like being a kid in a candy store, a really big kid in a candy store. We're all stuffed in like around here. But check out the layout. So check back with us later when I get a chance to upload those other videos. Again, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the American Trifive Association California Dreamin' Tour, presented by California Car Cover. Talk to you later.